Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos, and I would absolutely love it if you consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. I'll leave you all those links down below. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. Today I am back with another extra girly haul video, and I can't wait to share with you all the cute things that I have gotten over the past 2 to 3 weeks. I was actually waiting on 2 more things to arrive, and as I was coming back from work, they were in my doorsteps. I was so excited I can finally film the video. So I'm gonna start off first with this adorable package. This was actually a gift from my very good friend Joey. She also has a YouTube channel. It's called JJs Pink Secrets, and she films all kinds of girly and pink videos. Her name is Joey. I'll link it down below, but I was so surprised. She's super sweet. I didn't even know she was sending this out to me. She sent it out to celebrate the beginning of fall, and look at the packaging. How gorgeous. You guys, I already opened it. I opened it the first day she sent it to me, but I do want to share with you what she sent me because everything is so pink and girly. Of course, it deserves to be in a girly pink haul. So the first thing she sent me was this beautiful headband. It's blush pink and it has blush pink pearls. It looks so pretty and it's gonna go perfect with everything in my wardrobe. You guys know that I do wear a lot of pink. I love it, and it's gonna match perfectly. She also sent me this gorgeous cardigan. I think it's called a cardigan. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this just literally screams out fall. It's beautiful. It has like flowers, sunflowers, daisies all around. And this is beautiful because you can wear this like over a tank top or over like a shirt with some leggings and boots. And she also sent me some gorgeous earrings, and these are Betsey Johnson earrings. I don't know if you guys know this, but I am a huge Betsey Johnson fan. And she sent me these beautiful earrings with pearls and then these like pink crystals and a cross. Look how gorgeous those are. I love them. They're gonna match perfectly with the top and the headband. She also sent me this adorable card holder that you can attach to the back of your cell phone, and it's sparkly. It's perfect because you can just put in your credit card. You guys, I lose my credit card like all the time, so this is gonna be like perfect. I'm not gonna lose it. And also inside there's this beautiful postcard that she included in there. It says today's prayer: a friend loves at all times, Proverbs 17:17. You guys, this literally made my eyes tear up the moment I opened the bag. It's just, it means so much, and I'm just beyond grateful that I have such an amazing friend. So the next thing I have is from the brand PMD. I did a review on the PMD microdermabrasion a few months ago, and I am loving that device. So PMD and Oaktoli sent this out to me so that I could try it out and review it in my channel. And of course, I was so excited because I do love the other device. This one here is a little bit different. This one is a cleanser. It's called the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. It is made out of soft silicone. It has silicone bristles. It's waterproof, it has an ergonomic design, and it uses AA batteries, and look at the color. It's pink. I love this. It does come in so many different colors, but of course I chose this color, and I haven't used it yet. But I will be doing a completely separate video on my skincare routine, and I will include a whole review on how to use this, so check it out. That will probably upload sometime next week, but as of now, I just wanted to share it with you guys. But this looks so good, and it's like the perfect size. Let me take it out so you guys can take a closer look at it. So it does come with batteries. I just dropped them on the floor right now. But this is what the device looks like, and you can use this to cleanse your face, apply serums, massage your skin, apply cream, and look how pretty this is. You guys, this is like so soft. So let's move on to some clothing. So of course, since we're in the fall, I had to get some fall clothing. I got this gorgeous sweater. Look how pretty it is. It's so beautiful. It's in this like soft beige color, and it is extremely soft. So cute and very, very warm. I also got these gorgeous leggings. These remind me a lot of the Spanx leggings, but they're not Spanx, and they were actually pretty affordable. The only thing with these leggings is that it doesn't really like tuck in your belly. So that's one thing to keep in mind, but they are definitely very pretty, and it gives you the look of this like faux leather look if you like that, and I think it looks great. I actually think it looks perfect paired up together. You guys, I got some really cute fuzzy sweaters. So I got this beautiful blush pink fuzzy sweater. I love this so much. Love the scalloped detail in the neck area right here. It's the most beautiful sweater I have ever seen, and I got this from H&M. I'll link it down there below, but look how stunning this is. It's like the perfect blushed color. I picked this up in the size small just because H&M does run a little bit big in sizes. I don't know why, but a lot of their clothing that is medium just fits me so big. So I decided to get the small, and it just fits perfectly. Look how pretty it is. It's just so fuzzy. So the next thing I got is also from H&M, and it's this gorgeous white fuzzy sweater, and it has these beautiful buttons here with like crystals all through it. It's like a little cardigan. It's so fuzzy and soft. I am like loving this little sweater so much. So the next thing I got is from Express, and I got this beautiful pink sweater. Love the ruche detail on the shoulders and on the sleeves here. I think it makes it look so elegant and so beautiful. You can definitely dress this up or down, and the color is just beautiful. So my friend Joey did an unboxing video a couple weeks ago, and she showed these beautiful sneakers, and I fell in love with them. And you guys, I went and bought similar kinds of sneakers just because I love them so much. Mine are a little bit different color. So the first ones that I got are these white ones. These are Fila, and I don't remember the name on them, but I will link them down there below. But look how pretty these are. These are my first pair of white sneakers. How crazy. All my sneakers are either like black, or I have these like pink ones, but I've never had white ones, and I just think these look so beautiful. And they have this kind of like iridescent logo here, and it says Fila. I think they are adorable, and they are so comfortable, you guys. These are the ones that arrived today. I already put them on, and I'm like, I need to walking them, and they are so comfortable. So I am loving these. And of course, I had to get them the same ones in pink. Look how pretty these are. These are blush pink. They are gorgeous, you guys. Look how stunning they are. And they have these like little flower, like embroidered flower detail on the side, which looks incredible. Like I had to get these. These are gonna match a lot of like my sweaters and outfits that are pink. And for the other outfits that don't have any pink, I got the white ones. So I got these two, and I am just like loving them. I can't wait to wear them out. So every fall season, I like to get a new perfume. I just feel like it kind of uplifts my spirit, and I just need something different. So I ended up getting this new perfume. This is the Prada, I believe it's called Prada Sugar, and it smells incredible. If you love sweet scents, try this out. You will love it. I'm just like loving this so much. I have tried the Prada Candy and love that scent, but this one here is just a little bit more sweeter, and it also lasts a very long time. So definitely check this out. If you have tried the other Pradas, you're definitely gonna love this one. So the last thing I have is actually a necklace. It's from Bauble Bar. You guys, I have the hardest time finding anything that has my initial, because my name is so uncommon. It's Fabiola, and I feel like not a lot of people have that name. But I was able to find this adorable necklace. It's from Bauble Bar, and it has this beautiful gold detail chain that has like almost like little links. And you can adjust it, and just look at this beauty. It has the letter F with little pearls all around. So that was it for my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all have an incredible and amazing rest of your week, and I will see you all next time. Bye.